Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch. And today I'm going to be talking about Stacks and AlexGo DeFi on Bitcoin, which a lot of people think is going to put Bitcoin in the direction it always should have been, the basis of the new financial system, right? And there's a lot of things at play that's making it the basis, right? It's decentralization, it's security, right? But let's dive on in, right? Shall we? Okay. Anyway, AlexGo, go check out their Twitter. This is their Twitter. Look at their website. Their launch party was today. Okay, I don't really know what a launch party is, but it sounds lame. But all these tokens do it, so I'm not going to hate. Anyway, go to the website. Looks pretty good, legit. Okay. You can get a lottery for their tokens, which if you're tech savvy, I recommend you do. Not financial advice. Just do it with fake money. Okay, this is not financial advice. You can get a ticket. Oh, sorry, I probably shouldn't be eating sunflower seeds while I make a YouTube video. But anyway, launch parties today. Go through and read it. Right, it settles in security on the Bitcoin network. The written in clarity, that new smart contract language that Algorand uses. Right. So this is an important sense, right? Imagine Alex as a combination of AV but no liquidation, right? So if basically because of the volatility of ETH and stuff, you can get liquidated with your loans, right? And then you can do like a swap, like pancake swap or whatever on BNB. It's kind of a really unique way to go about it, right? So you can lend your Bitcoin, you can use it as collateral, and Coinbase kind of, and I've done this a few times. I've gotten loans from Coinbase, right? It's a kind of a high interest rate, 8%, but I use my Bitcoin as collateral, and they give me a loan. I paid for like a new air conditioner and some washer and dryer and stuff, and I paid that off over time, right? So you can do that now theoretically through a decentralized platform like Alex versus a centralized platform like Coinbase, right? And there's trade-offs to either one. Don't forget that, right? Not everything has to be decentralized. The most important thing I want everyone to realize is money should be decentralized, okay? That's my theory. Anyway, I want you to watch this quick video because this guy's from CoinBeer, 1.8 million view subscribers, right? And he's talking about Stacks, right?
Cryptocurrency on this list is Stacks, which is scheduled to release a one-stop DeFi shop on its blockchain today and may be live by the time this video hits the tube. For those unfamiliar, Stacks is a sort of smart contract compatible sidechain for Bitcoin, and it recently became the biggest project building on Bitcoin by almost every metric. Now, unfortunately for Stacks, it's based in the United States and decided to do everything by the book, straight out of the gates. As a result, the STX coin has had a hard time listing on US exchanges, despite its creators claiming it meets the arbitrary threshold of sufficiently decentralized. This means STX may have a hard time rallying in response to the news, but mark my words, once STX lists on a US exchange, it will moon.
Okay, now, did you hear that? It will moon. So it did everything legally, which is the most messed up part about all this, right? It went through the SEC, all that. And it has a hard time versus these tokens that fraudulently issue themselves to investors and things like that. They don't get attacked, right? The people who suffer are the ones who do it legally. But that's just, I think it feeds into that decentralization, right? And then if you go watch more, he talks about...
Speaking of crypto mining,
Jack Dorsey, here, I won't make you watch the video, but basically he's making a crypto miner so more efficient so people like us can mine at home, keeping it decentralized, keeping it the base layer of money. Right? So, these are all fundamental things that are good for Stacks and are good for Bitcoin. This is the Stacks USD. As you can see, this is going to make a decision, and the decision is going to come when Bitcoin finally breaks out. The only way I think Stacks does not break out in the future, right? Because of such strong fundamentals, is if Bitcoin fails, right? So you can stake your Stacks for Bitcoin. I think this is a better risk reward. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. But if you're looking to get into Bitcoin, and if you don't want to purchase Bitcoin, I don't know why you wouldn't want to do that. Try Stacks, right? There's a lot of fundamental strength. Anyway, you could call me Hunch. I think this is too hot to trot, baby. I think this is like a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of oregano on your pasta. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, Bitcoin on DeFi is here, and I think it's going to be a good year. I'm staying positive. You can call me Hunch.